What you doing, buddy? What's up, big guy? So, we'll see a video popping up later tonight or tomorrow. It's going to be a more lengthy video than this. That's going to be the install of the new Cone Engineering Shorty mufflers and the new seat, which is very nice. Thank you to Alex for that. And then there's some more stuff coming tomorrow, like new adjustable levers, and I think there's some black foot pegs, and I don't know, so there's some other goodies coming. So doing some other mods here. Watch the other video on how to install the mufflers and stuff. It also has sound clips and a quick riding clip and stuff. That'll be coming out later tonight. I got to go. It's actually on the MacBook now. Got the official pit bull of Dave's garage. Hey, Maximo. Dum-dum. He doesn't come out in the garage that much, so he's just out here sniffing. Can you turn around so we're not just looking at your crinkle hole? Dude, I want to see your balloon knot. Let's see your dumb face. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Oh, Jesus. He's a good boy. What do you think of the bike, Max? Why are you sniffing? What do you think? Does it look good? I think it looks good. So we are almost done. A few more little odds and ends, and then a quick shifter. And this bad, I really love that seat, man. Gives it that little bit of swell, that little bit of hump right there, like more cafe racer-ish, which I think goes really nice with the screen. And apparently there's something Piranha. There's another screen coming. We'll see if that one's any better. When you watch the other video, I'm just going to tease it, but watch the video, listen to the sound clips of the exhaust, and give me your thoughts on that. But went on easy enough. Had to bend one little tab just to get it to line up right, but I think it looks pretty damn good. Anyway, you ready to go in the house, buddy? Yeah, let's go. Hey. Buddy. Gotta go around sniffing everything. As long as you're not peeing on anything. Nothing out here that needs marking. Who's a good boy? Yes. You're awesome. Awesome puppy. All right, let's go.